Hello and welcome back to the Full Leaf Tea Company channel. Today, we're showing you how to make the perfect iced matcha latte, just a few simple steps. Whether you're a matcha lover looking for a traditional experience or a sweeter, cafe-inspired treat, we've got you covered with 2 easy methods. Check out the description below for links to our variety of matcha options so you can customize your iced latte to suit your taste. The first method, cocktail style, is ideal for those who love a smooth, frothy texture with minimal effort. To begin, fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Add the matcha powder and your sweetener. Pour in the milk. Seal the shaker and shake vigorously for about 10 seconds to blend the matcha and create froth. Pour your matcha latte into your glass. No straining needed, and enjoy this light, refreshing drink. If you love a sweeter, more indulgent latte that's perfectly blended, coffee house style is the method for you. In a bowl, whisk the matcha powder with hot water in a vigorous zigzag motion for about 30 seconds until frothy. Then, fill your glass with ice and add your sweetener and milk. Pour the whisked matcha over the top, and that's it. This method gives you a richer, creamier matcha latte, perfect for those who enjoy a cafe-style drink at home. Whether you prefer the frothy simplicity of the cocktail style or the sweet richness of the coffee house style, both methods offer a delicious way to enjoy matcha any time of day. Let us know in the comments how you like to customize your iced matcha lattes, or if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial from us. Until next time, cheers!